2008 Yamaha Phazer RTX. This one's a 121. Be a 1-inch lug or 0.92. It's got Fox flip shocks. It's got the wide front end being an RTX. He's got the wind deflector flares and on the headlight. Got taller windshield, handguards. Got an exhaust turnout on it. Couple scuffs on the bumper. Got a fancy toolbox on the back there. It's got 1,219 miles on it. These are a 500cc 4-stroke electric start, twin cylinder. Got hand and thumb armors, reverse.